Hello and welcome back to Dinkum, everyone. I'm just loading up the game right now. Oh, it's Sunday. Let's see. That means John's shop will be closed. Let's just get my bearings a little bit. I have to get used to our new setup here. It's raining. How lovely. So shoot, I have things in my bag. Oh, lightning. Look at that sun. This game is so pretty. I just love how cute and sweet it is. Look at this. This is amazing. Um, so John, you're not gonna be of any help today. I have things I need to get rid of. Let's see what we can put. I've just got this pair of glasses or whatever. Yeah, for some reason, some of these things that you dive for, you're able to put them in storage. So we're just gonna put all of this. Well, that goes in our chest back at home. We'll put all of this away for now and sell later. That's fine. I do have some fishies. I guess we could just put them on the ground. We've already had Theodore visiting. I think we've turned in... Oh, I wanted to check the pedia. The pedia. Okay, I'm still using the Pro controller for the Switch, and the button that is supposed to open up our journal is not working for me on this controller. And I have another, like, Xboxy type controller. It's not an actual Xbox controller. And I used to have it paired to my computer, no problem. Oh, it does show what fish you've donated. But you have to click on it to see the name, which is a little annoying. I'd like just a little to know without clicking, but I'm lazy. So anyway, for some reason I can't get my other controller to pair with my computer. I've done it in the past. I can't now. I don't know why. I just spent like a half hour trying and said forget it. Okay, so we haven't donated a carp yet. So let's see if we have one in our inventory. No, we don't. So got to keep that in mind. So for the time being, I'm just gonna set my fishies here that we're gonna sell to John when he's open again tomorrow. Yeah. Ooh, for some reason the game seems louder to me today. Maybe I just have my speakers up too loud. Or it's because I'm old and I'm not very awake yet. It's just barely 8 o'clock in the morning. I usually start a little earlier, but I needed extra wake up time today. We'll probably do a little fishing. Maybe some bug catching. Let's put these away. I don't think we'll use those right now. Just tidy up a little bit. Okay, so what do we have to do today? What are our tasks? Smash 6 or rocks? Chat with 3 residents. Well, we can only chat with 2. And plant 5 crop seeds, and we don't have rain here, so we can't do that. So all we can do is chat with 2 and get ore. Wait, did he just go inside? Or did he go behind? John? Oh, okay. Like, wait a minute. Good morning. I should start selling umbrellas. Oh, hi, Moxie. You got a job for me? Hey, would it be too much trouble for you to catch a carp? No, I need to catch 2 of them. The mangroves. Okay. Oh, I know what I wanted to see. I saw there was an update. I think on the map, it said it was gonna... Yeah. We have a label now at the bottom. So we're in the bushlands. Tropics. Desert. Pine forest. So we're the mangroves. I feel like we just got them in the river, the carp, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. Tropics. Ooh, look at this island out here. Pine forest. Wow. That's interesting. Mangroves. Those are plains. The Labong, yeah, the little river, or little ponds, are bushlands. I think the mangroves are along the river, though, where we see those. Yeah, there. Like right there. Okay, interesting. Desert. I gotta really pinpoint it with my thing. Well, we'll just go along. We'll find it. So I want to catch 2 carp today, so we have 1 to donate. Let's check in with Fletch. We got, yeah, hopefully. So today we won't be able to sell anything, but we need like another 23,000, I think, to pay off the current deed. Hi, Fletch. I would love to do a favor for you. Please, Fletch. Can you please just want something doable? I can catch a blue spot flathead. Yes. In the northern oceans. Okay, I think I've even caught it in the ocean around here, too. I don't think we have one to turn in. I think these are river fish. Let's check you. You're spotted. Okay, no, it's a barcoo grunter. I always say gunter. I don't know why. A dork. Okay, so we have some fishing today. There's a fly. I'm not going to catch you because I can't sell you. So, Northern Ocean. I feel like just even maybe this little area we might get what she wants. And for the mangroves, there's some... I'm trying to see if there's just some plains tropics. So around there we need to head. We'll make it sparkly. I do want to try Fletch's. We're going to try just in the ocean here because I could have sworn... Well, there's one way to find out. You know what? I might be thinking of a different save file. Haha. I don't think I've done much ocean fishing here. I think I've caught them in this area. There's a fishy out here. I've already forgotten what kind she wants. Oh my gosh. You guys. I just don't know what to do with my memory. Oops. It's bad. It's bad, you guys. I thought they say playing computer games is supposed to help with your memory and stuff as you age. I don't know if I'm proving that to be true. Or maybe it is helping, and imagine how much worse I would be if I weren't playing games. Ugh. A jungle perch. I do need to track what she wanted. Blue spot flathead. Okay. I can remember carp, so blue spot flathead. It's harder to see the fishies with the rain. So while I'm fishing, I just want to take a moment to thank all of you again who've been watching. Oops. And all of our new subscribers. We got quite a few the last few days. It's been great. My first video has done pretty well for my channel. Where'd the fishy go? So thank you guys so much. I'm glad you seem to be enjoying this so far. I hope to continue. I hope you enjoy this series. I hope you're checking out the game too. Love to hear how you guys like it if you're playing. Come on, fishy. Yeah, I'm still doing like taps here, like I do in the game Spiritfarer, although I've not played that on film. I just, on film? Wow, fancy. Doesn't seem to affect the line too much if you just do the light taps. As soon as you see him start to turn, let go. And just press down to reel in when he's not struggling. Barcoo grunter! Alright. Let's just head out and about. John, what are you doing in the water there, bud? We can get this copper. Oh, did I want to check licenses? Did I? No, I need to I can't do copper weapons or tools yet. I need to do some more mining and tree chopping. That's right. I'm going to need to do some hunting too to increase our hunting skill. But don't worry, little kangaroo things. Whatever you are, you're safe for now. Oop, he just killed a frog. I haven't been able to catch a frog with my net. Maybe we'll try a trap. Gonna have to do that. I haven't got that license yet. We might do that soon. I did read a tip. I'm pretty sure I read a tip in Discord or somewhere. Oh yeah, we need to find apples. That a wounded animal or an animal that's lost some of its health is easier to trap. So I've only watched one other person on the YouTubies try to trap some animals, and it's been a little bit of a struggle. So I think that might be why it needs to be battled a little bit. So we get these kwangdongs. Hope I'm saying that right. And then we need to find apples too, so we can start a little orchard. Oh, it's like a little emu there, I think. Yeah, I thought this was maybe a little mangrove area. What kind of trees are these? The one, oh, there's some apples. Yeah, this is, so we might be able to get, since this is mangrove sticks, mangrove. If there's any fish, there is. Let's try getting a carp for John here. Oh, I turned around. That was a bad cat. Oh, it found, it was headed that way. Okay. I'm always afraid they're going to go up on the land and the line is going to snap. Oh. Oh. Carp. Let's get another one if we can to turn in, so we don't have to go as far on the map as I marked. How do I clear? Yeah. There we go. I'm slowly learning the things. I should be looking to make sure there's nothing that's going to eat my face while I'm right here. We'll get another carp if we can, and then we'll head to the Northern Ocean, I guess, or just some part of the ocean and try for Fletch. For old Fletch on this save file, I've not done that much for her. But I'm feeling bad. I want to help her. She's like her grandma. I've made her my grandmother. Oh, there's a barrel right here, too. Oh, you cheeky little fish. Don't turn away. I think it sees it, yeah. Ooh. I don't think that's a carp. That looks different. She says with no confidence whatsoever in her seeing abilities. A river bass. Okay, yeah, we've turned that in. What's in here? I wish John had a drop box that we could sell stuff through overnight when he's closed. That would be kind of a fun addition. Oh my. Okay, let's look at the map. If we just keep headed north, we could go try some oceanese there. So follow the red dot or the red point on the map. Gotta circle around a bit though. Oh, and bananas. We don't have bananas yet. Need to keep an eye out for that. See if it looks like there are any carp over here. Should be. Oh, I just heard a little thunder. I'm gonna turn my speakers up. Very cool. There's a fish I just swam into. Not sure what you are, but we'll try to catch you. Oops. I don't know where it went. Oh, I love the sound of the thunder. So cool. Don't get to hear that very often where I live. I'm in Northern California and it's very rare. Oh, I'm so hungry. I wasn't even paying attention. Look at how exhausted she is. Oh, the poor thing. There we go. Need to get a little more ore. You know what I haven't tried is chopping one of these. I've harvested them. Oh, what happens? Okay, so the cactus figs pop off. And then we get prickly pear flesh. Neat. I wouldn't be surprised to learn there's a recipe for that. Let's get a little more, just for funsies. We're just out exploring. We really got to get that fish for Fletch. Stay focused. We can get a carp for a museum then another time. Oh, don't sting me. Oh, I feel like I'm going to be blocked by this wall. Yikes. Oh, look at the coral. I think that's coral. We dive around it. There's jellyfish. Not sure I'm seeing anything around here. Jellyfish. I don't want a jellyfish. It's so pretty. Oh, there's more out there. Shells. Alright, so do we see any fish around here? Where are we on the map? Okay, yeah, this is a good spot. I want to mark our home base. Okay. So we'll know which way to head home. Not seeing fish. Oh, Fletch, I really want to get a fish for you. Not seeing any of them out here. Let me cast my line and really... Oh, there we go. Hey, fish. It's still there? I don't see it. Let's just cast out, see if we can find another one. Well, there's one way out there. Anything? Yeah, I'm not seeing any right there. I feel like this would probably could be a good area for diving, but I'm not... With the rain, I can't really see much of anything. There's a fish way out there. No, is you something to dive for? Let's see. Oh, a pearl. We got another pearl. What did that sell for last time? Like 4,000 or 5,000, I think. I'm gonna have to start heading home soon because we're getting tired. We don't have a lot of food. I hear flies. I'm just not seeing the fish. All right, is there another way to head home? Maybe we'll run along the coast for something a little different. Oh, yeah, and I want to keep an eye out for some banana trees. Jellyfish. Interesting. We just haven't been on this part, I don't think, yet. I'm trying to kind of look for fish as we go. I can't really see if they're in the water until I've cast my line, though. Hey, there's a fish. Got him. I hope you are a blue spot flathead. I don't know. I'm not seeing any spots yet. Oh, we haven't done any of our day. Well, the one daily chore we can do, we haven't even finished. Have to look for some more ore. Bluefish. Oh no. Let's see. No, I thought I said swap. Okay. All right. I haven't figured out how to just drop stuff. Although we could. I've accidentally dropped like the whoop. Perfect. The tool I'm holding. Get that big old frog. Okay, we can get this. I think we have room for this ore. I don't know. We could bury some of this fruit we've picked. Just want to run along the coastline, though, see what all there is to see. We can at least give John his... Oh, there's bananas. I don't have room. I don't need these. Can I just, like, drop them on the ground? Okay. We could go get the bananas. Jump. Here we go. The start. It's only 2, but it's a start. Oh, it's gotten dark. Okay. We're getting there. I don't know which way to go. Around this way, I guess. I need a torch. So once again, poor Fletch. I probably should have just fished at the ocean front in front of our place. I still can. Just drop off. Oh, there's a little more ore. I don't think I have room for copper, though, do I? Yeah, I do. Still need a little more ore. I have more to cook at home. That'll be fine. Here's the best way to cross here. You don't want to have to swim too much. Oh, perfect. It's scary out in the dark. Low on food, creepy music. It's raining. Oh my gosh. This would be like my worst nightmare in real life. Here we go. Let's see if we can find John. There's Fletch. Hi, Fletch. I have failed you once again. John, where are you? There he is. I got your perch, bud. It's nearly as hot as my low, low prices. You wanted to chat? Here you go. I did. Anza. Wow, you really found Cart. You're the best. What'd you give us? Black boots. Hey, we won't be barefoot anymore. Okay, let's put some things down to sell. Open. could try just fishing in our ocean here. Come on, Fletch. Won't any of these fish do? All right. I'm not going to be able to see a thing. We're just going to cast and hope for the best. See if I can see any shadows. No. Oh. I wonder if there's going to be a recipe for any street lights or anything to help with this kind of stuff. I'm just casting and hoping to get lucky at this point. I feel so bad. I keep letting Fletch down. We have no progress on hearts. All right, we're just going to go to bed. We can't see a darn thing. Oh, we still needed a little more ore. We've got none of our daily chores done. See if there's any respawned over here. No, I wiped it out. Oh, wait, we got a little bit. I wiped it out. Oh, we have a lot of stamina right now, too, because I ate. Okay, we got our chore done. That was the only one we were really going to be able to do today anyway. There's some rock. Can't go to bed with full stamina. I'll feel like I've just wasted the day. Yeah, I still don't know what quartz will be used for. I feel like it could be used for making glass or something. I wasn't able to put it in our current furnace. We'll see. All right. Do we have any to squirt into our machines? No. Those going. All right, tidy up a little bit. Put our logs away. Start saving the bone. We got a few mangrove sticks. I want to pull these out. Get that going in the morning. So we can plant the cactus. What happens if we cook? Oops. I know, Scarlet. My cat's whining at me. She just realized she hadn't yelled at me for anything this morning and had to get started. What happens if we cook the cactus fig? Won't eat it. So uncooked, we lose 5 health and get 2 little stamina. Cooked, we get 5, so it's not a lot. I'm going to just hold on to it. Maybe it's used for something. I want to plant those. Plant those. Put a few more things away. Let's just get these going. Pick it up. Pick it up. Why? Why? Pick it up. There we go. I love the furnaces. I think they're so cute. Put you away. Ooh, getting a nice collection of tin sheets just from hitting barrels. All right, let's go to Sleepy Buys and start day 2. Hey, oh, we got some mining. We earned 0 dinks. Rinky dinks. Oh, it's a green tent. That could be rain. That would be nice. Get up. I always hit the wrong button for get up. Okay, so today, do a job for someone. Craft a new tool. Smelt some ore into a bar. Of course, I've just used all my ore. I forget, I shouldn't always do that at bedtime. Wait till the next day, because you never know when you're going to have to do something like that. So we could... Do we have a scythe yet? Okay, what do I need to craft one? A palmwood plank and a tin bar. I got that. I got it. I got it. I might have one in my other... But that's okay. It got a daily chore done. You away. Alright, one chore done. Do a favor and smelt some more. Let's go pick up all of our fishies and sell them. I want to see what Fletch needs today. Oh, let's get some of these to cook too. I wish I could just pop them all on there. But yeah, I don't want to go out too far without having some handy food. I really need to get my fruit orchard going, get the cooking table built, because I know there's some good recipes that'll help us out a lot on that. Look at my boots. I couldn't really see them the night before. Just a couple more. We don't want to pass out anywhere. Okay, perfect. Yep, come on. These, I just like them on the end. Okay. Hi, Fletch. I've been contacted by people back in... Yeah, we saw this message on my last save. I'm sorry, we're a little bit behind where we were, but not too much. We're just like 2 days behind, I think, or 1 day behind. So we'll reach our goal. Can I do anything for you? Please, Fletch. I'll do better today, I promise. Okay, how much? See, I'm sorry, Fletch. I'm just not doing it. I'm not. Do I have anything in here that I want to just sell? Yeah, I know it's wrong. I'll save the wires. I know we're going to need all of this stuff. I might be able to donate that. We need the money right now. I'll keep the wires. Let's grab our fish. Hello, kangaroo, don't eat my fish. That was satisfying, all the little pups. Still no wheelbarrow, but maybe... Well, we gotta pay off the debt. I'm paying off the debt before I get any more advanced tools. I want to be able to set up the next deed. Sell goods. Got lots of goodies. Totally ignore that I'm selling you the glasses you gave me. Sell that too. Hell no, if we're ever desperate, we'll be sad we sold it. I'm trying to read what this fish is. Stop! Wow, I'm trying to... It looked like a carp, but it's not. We only caught one. Yeah, sell all of that. Ooh! Perfect. We can go pay off our debt. Making that bread. That cold hard cash. Nice. Alright, what favor would you like? Need anything? Okay. Now see, I'll pay that much. Anything above like 5, I'm not paying. But now we've got these boots. I feel like we need some different pants, maybe. Look at us. We look cute. I'll put the shorts in storage here. All right, let's go see who our visitor is. Oh, let's pay off our deed. Oh, wow, 73,000. So they do pay a little bit towards it, because I think it was originally 75. So that's kind of nice. Let's pay off the rest of it. Wow, it's a lot. 73,474. The town is now debt-free. Thank you for your contribution. And we still have a little bit of money. Oh, we're going to need... Oh, we have spare tools. That's right. All right, let's see who we have. Oh, yay, it's Rain. We're kind of caught up, guys, to where we were on the last episode. I'm a nomad that's like looking to sell seeds. She is so cute, and I'm really jealous of her hair color. I would love that if we could add some different hair colors to our game. Do you need anything, Rain? Want to chat? First, what's new? If I'm quiet enough, sometimes it feels like I hear the trees whispering. It's like hard to describe the sound. It kind of sounds like a gust of air blowing through the leaves. Yeah. Oh, nope. My controller is very loosey-goosey. Need anything? Oh, her belly's grumbling. Pavlova. What is Pavlova? What is that? Is it a fish? Is it a plant? Wait. Of course I exited out of it. Oh. We could do that with the cooking table, I bet, but I don't know what goes in it. It looks like a cake, so is it some sort of dessert? Celebrate the best way. Dang it, Rain. That's a little difficult. Okay, can we afford... First, we need to see if we can afford the tools before we even get seeds. Oh, the dirt. Make it all soft and stuff. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, we can't afford it yet. No thanks. Okay. So I'm kind of torn on what to do here. Oh, you're a bird. Need some bugs to sell quickly. Oh, I could dig up treasure. That would probably be more smarter. Oh, wow. I am more smarter. Gosh. It's really painful to be me, you guys. All right, let's do a little metal detecting. Really? That means in order to get that, I have to, like, dig. I think I need to dig a little more. Was that where it was? Okay, now dig. Now dig again. I figured it out. It's like a puzzle. Now dive. Well, that was handy. Soil mover. Oh, great. We should check in on our permits, too. I just want to get enough that we can buy stuff from Rain to start our little farm. Nice. Oops. I love that these are all, like, right close together right now. All right, let's go sell this stuff. I know I'm gonna need it, and one day I'll probably regret that I don't have it, and I'm gonna have to go hunting for all of it all over again. But being debt-free and being able to put up shops and all that is way betterest. Oh, John, I'm sorry. I hit the wrong button because I'm lame. I'm sure people are cringing watching me sell the batteries and stuff. Thank you, because now we can afford to get some seeds and a watering can. And go start our little garden. Oh. Okay. Sugar cane. I think these are different than what she offered us last time. Last time it might have been tomatoes, but or it was green beans. Watermelon? Oh, I don't know. It wasn't watermelon. Oh, those are sugarcane seeds. These grow all year. Nice. They grow over 12 days and produce 1 sugarcane. Yeah. Okay. I think that, yeah, tomato. Okay, summer and autumn. Okay, good. So they'll carry over into autumn. They grow over 11 days and they produce, and then they continue producing every 6 days. Okay. I should buy as many of these as we can afford. I don't know. Can only afford 4. Thanks. Let's go start our little garden. I don't know if I should save seeds, because every once in a while that pops up as a daily. I'm not going to worry about it. So yeah, I think this little low area down here, I wanted to try something too. But we're close to the water. But what I was wondering was, can we dig down into the water? We haven't tried this yet. But I've seen screenshots where people have water close to their gardens, and I was wondering if there was a way to do that. And there is. It's like a little irrigation spot. So we don't have to run as far. I think this is kind of a neat idea. Plus, I need to build this out anyway. Probably don't even need to do it any more than that, but I want to make it look a little bit cute, like a little pond or something. Oh, can I make it a pond? Like, then if I build it out a little bit here, and then what happens if I put dirt there? So that's kind of cute, but we don't need to do that. Let's just do this for now. Oops. Okay. Oh, we got our seeds. I should probably plan this out kind of nice. I want to trim this grass. Wait, I have my scythe, don't I? Oh yeah, I have 2 of them. I had made one. Well, that's all right. Oh, a little tree growing here. Did I plant a tree here? That took a lot of hits for something so little. That's not even the right spot. I could have left that tree alone. It died for nothing. I'm hoping this helps our farming skill. I'm not sure what this scything does. Oops. All right, so you know what? I want to dig this out a little bit more. Here's my shovel. Just a little more, just to kind of square it off a bit. This is why I need the wheelbarrow. I think that'll be all right. Cute. Let's push this back too. I just want to square that off a little bit. Plus now we have more room in front of our tent. I'll probably still leave this a little bit terraced like this with this level here. All right, so let's see. Let's do our 6. What do you guys look like? I'm not really crazy about where I put you, but that's okay. Oh, we're exhausted. Yeah, we'll do 2 by 3. That's fine. I should have done this in just a little bit so I'd have room for a fence around it. That would have been smart. Our tomatoes. Where should we put those? I don't know why I put this all back, like right up on the edges, but that's okay. Oh. Will I be able to get to those? Ooh, that was dumb. Okay. I kind of didn't mean to put that one there when I did, so that's fine. We'll just do this. And we'll have a weird tomato plant over here. I don't know why I did this so in this manner. This isn't how I would normally do it. That's okay. It's a start. Wet thumb. We had more. Green thumb. All right, we still need to smelt some ore for our daily task. Oh, and Fletch. What did Fletch... What's request for Fletch? Is that just to get 5 permanent? Yeah. Oh, what do we need for the cooking station? We'll never know. Palmwood. I don't know that I have that much. Palmwood planks, nails, tin bar. How many planks? I don't remember. That many. I don't believe we're going to be able to cook the item Rain wanted, but we could at least see. Oh, yeah, no. Sorry. Oh, well. What else is there, though? What is this cube? What is that? Lamington? Why is it a little cube? Chicken egg, coconut, flour. Interesting. Prime roast. Interesting. Ooh, fish and chips. I'm not a big seafood eater, but I do like fish and chips. Garden salad, cabbage, tomato, onion. Fruit salad we could do. That's pretty yummy. Look at that. 10 health, 20 stamina. Oh, in 5 minutes of I get I don't know what it means. It's showing me my axe, but I don't know if 5 minutes if that's a little buff to that. And if the other one's a buff to defense, I don't know. Sausage roll. I'll take that. Meat on a stick. Did we make some of that before? I can't remember. Anyway, lots of goodies. Do I have anything to put away in here? Yes. So we're making progress. We're caught up now, I think, to where we were on my last save. Oops, did not mean to put you in there. So thank you guys for being patient, and I hope you didn't mind too much that I've started over. Oh, let's put you away. I think it's worth it to have all this room now. We're in, I think, a lot better shape. Why am I moving all my tools around like this? Screw it. I like to be organized, but I do want... We're going to need that in the morning. Oh, forget it. I'm being all weird and anal about this stuff. Is there some... Did I just see some ore? No, it was this rock. It looked like it was shining for a second. Sometimes you can get lucky, and on the larger rocks, get a little ore. I wanted to get our last task done of smelting, but I'm pretty sure we don't have enough. No. All right. It's a lesson learned. So we're going to end this episode here, you guys. I've started a very weird little garden. I know I could dig around it, too, to have gotten to that fourth one. I don't know why I did it this way, but I did. It's done. Nothing I can do about it. We're just going to sleep until tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see if we got any farming XP or anything like that. A little bit of foraging. No. Thought we would have gotten a little farming. Okay, but we were in 44,000 dinks, so that was a good day. So thanks so much, everyone. Take care.